So hello everyone, in this video we will go through the key questions and solution from the end semester examination. I will explain each question step by step using simple words so it is easy to understand. So let's get started. So our first question is, how is unstructured data transformed for machine learning models? So our explanation is, unstructured data like text, images or videos is not organized into rows and columns. To make it usable for machine learning, we clean the data, remove extra characters, punctuation and HTML tags, and convert text to lowercase. The next point is tokenize the text, break it into the words or phrases. The third point is remove stop words, exclude common words like the, or, is, that don't add much meaning. Okay. The fourth point is normalize words, use stemming or limitization to convert words to their root form, like running to run. Okay. Extract features, represent text as numbers using methods like TD-IDF or word embeddings. Once transform the data becomes structured format suitable for algorithm. So our next question is, importance of legal classification in grievance redressal system. Okay. So answer of this question is, legal classification is a crucial role for resolving complaints efficiently. It helps streamline process, automatically sort complaints into legal categories like IPC section, improve accuracy, reduce human error in classifying issues, speed up resolution, ensures complaint reach the right department quickly, ensures fairness, treat all grievance consistently, handle large volumes, manages high numbers of complaints effectively. This is all about the how we legal classification of grievance redressal system. Okay. The next question is, how TD-IDF word embeddings can be used for extract features from complaint text. Okay. So the answer is, these techniques convert into numerical format TD-IDF term frequency inverse documentary frequency, highlights important words by measuring their frequency in a document and their rarity across the dataset. For example, in a complaint, theft of my mobile phone, TD-IDF will emphasize theft and mobile phone. Word embeddings considered maps words into dense numerical vectors that capture their meanings. For example, words like theft and robbery will have similar embeddings, helping models understand relationships. Okay. Now move forward to the next question. So our next question is, life cycle of data science project. Okay. So first of all, a data science project goes through these stages: define problem, collect data, okay, explore, data exploration, pre-processing, feature engineering, model selection and building, okay, and model evaluation, model deployment. Okay. Define the problem means understand what needs to be resolved. Collect data, gathers relevant data from sources like database or APIs, explore and process data, clean and analyze the data to make it usable. Feature engineering, create or select features to improve the model. Model building, train models, learning models. Model evaluation, test the model using matrices like accuracy or precision. Model deployment, considered use the model in real world applications, monitor and maintain, continuously improve the model as new data comes in. Okay. This is all about what is the life cycle of data science project. Okay. Now move forward to the next question, which is, explain the role of text mining in automating grievance redressal system. List the key steps involved in pre-processing unstructured text data. Role of text mining in automatic grievance redressal system. Text mining automates grievance redressal system by extracting meaningful information from unstructured data. Here how it is combined: automated categorization. Text mining classifies complaints into predefined categories like services, issues without manual intervention, helping route them to the right department quickly. Sentiment analysis, identify the tone of complaint: positive, negative, neutral, enabling prioritization of urgent and higher priority issues. Efficient query handling automatically identifies key information, example, complaint type, location, issue, to resolve queries or trigger appropriate actions. Okay. Pattern recognition detects trends and requiring issues, helping to improve the services or resolve frequent grievances. Okay. Improved accuracy reduce human error in interpreting or classifying complaints, ensuring consistent response and efficient problem solving. Okay. Key steps in pre-processing unstructured data: break, text cleaning, remove unnecessary characters, tokenization, split text into individual words or tokens, remove stop words, remove common words. Okay. Stemming limitization, reduce the words to their root, running to run. Okay. Vectorization converts text into numerical format using TD-IDF or word embeddings. Okay. This is all about how role of text mining. Okay. Now move forward to the next question. Okay. Explain the key difference between k-means clustering and hierarchical clustering. What 10 advantage of hierarchical clustering over k-mean clustering when visualizing cluster relationships? Okay. Uh, K-mean clustering and hierarchical clustering. Clustering approach centroids based partiality algorithm, bottom up or diversify. Okay. Number of clusters predefined. In this we need to predefine the cluster number of cluster before it. Okay. No need to specify the number of cluster upfront. Okay. Cluster shape. Generally spherical cluster shapes in K-mean clustering can handle arbitrary shapes cluster. Okay. Output flat partition of a data into clusters. Dendrogram showing cluster hierarchy. Okay. Initialization sensitive to initial centroid selection, no initial section required. Okay. Handling outliers sensitive to outliers, more robust to outliers. Okay. Scalability better for large dataset, no ideal for very large dataset. Clusters does not provide information on cluster hierarchy, shows the relationship between in front of dendrogram. Okay. Advantage of hierarchical clustering over k-mean clustering: visualize cluster relationship. Dendrogram representation is the main advantage of hierarchical clustering. Hierarchical clustering produces dendrogram which visually shows the hierarchical structure of cluster. This allows you to understand how clusters relate to each other at different levels of granularity, which is not possible with k-means. Okay. No need predefined cluster, and unlike k-means which requires a number of cluster k to be predefined, hierarchical clustering allows the user to decide the number of cluster at any level of cutting the dendrogram. Better insights into cluster relationships. Hierarchical clustering gives a clear view of how a cluster nested within each other. Okay. Providing a deeper understanding of the similar and differences between the cluster. Okay. Now move forward to the next topic, which is algorithm for clustering two groups from a given data. Data is 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 10, 12, 2, 20, 30, 11. Step 1. Randomly select 2 points as initial centroid. Assign each data point to its nearest centroid. Recalculate the centroids by taking the mean of point in each cluster. Okay. Repeat step 2 or 3 until the centroid no longer changes. Okay. Cluster 1 242. Suppose cluster 1 is 242 and cluster 2 is 10, 12, 20, 30, 11, 25. Okay. Out of each round, initial assignment based on the closest centroid object final clusters. Okay. uh, Now move forward to the next question. Okay. Classify loan application using risk classes. Loan application can be classified using entropy. Measures the data impurity. Lower entropy means better splits. Gain index measures misclassification. Lower value indicates a better split. Attributes like credit score and income are used to classify loans into risk categories. Okay. This how can we classify the loan categories into loan application into risk classes. Okay. uh, Now move forward to the next question, for question number 8, which asks you to analyze the impact of data preprocessing techniques such as Stofford normalization, steaming, model performing using matrix precision recall F1 square. Here's the detailed answer. Okay. Data preprocessing, Stofford removal, remove common words like the, is, and reduce the noise, and can lead faster processing without affecting the meaning. However, it might reduce precision is a specific context. Steaming, converting words to their base form, running to run. Okay, it helps standardize data but can sometimes oversimplify the reduce accuracy. Okay, impact on model performance, precisions. This is refers to the proportion of true positive out of positive prediction pre-processing, especially Stofford removal, steaming can reduce false positive, improve precision. Okay, recall. This is referred to the proportion of true positive out of all actual positives or aggressive. F1 square. These metrics balance precision, recall, proper processing, and typically enhance F1 square by balancing precision and recall. In summary, data preparation generally improves efficiency and model performance, but each techniques need to be applied carefully to maintain a balance between precision recall to optimal F1 square. Okay, here's a more detailed breakdown based on new page. TD IDF D4 T6 IDF T6 IDF T6 given that T6 appears in given that T6 appears in the three documents. uh, Consign similarity. To compare documents, we calculate the consign similarity using the term TD-IDF. If two documents have similar term frequency and IDF values, they will have a higher concise similarity score, indicating there are similarity. So that's all about the data science end semester examination paper solution. Okay, hope you all enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.